Today we're gonna do easy Halloween hairstyles. Your hairstyle can be amazing without being complicated. I ordered a bunch of hair accessories from Amazon. I'll make sure to link them below. Spider hair elastics. I have these butterfly clips for more of a romantic fairy hairstyle. A bow because I feel like everyone's gonna wanna be Barbie this year. We have these colorful hair extensions. Rope, we're gonna do some cool things with this. These skeleton hands are so fun. Let's get started. First hairstyle is a bubble braid. Put your hair in a ponytail. Then about an inch or two down from the base of the ponytail, place another hair tie. Then gently tug on the hair between the two hair ties to create that bubble effect. Continue doing this all the way down your ponytail. This is a very whimsical, romantic hairstyle, and I can see this working with so many different Halloween costumes. So put your hair in a half up, half down. Pull the elastic out so there's some space between the elastic and your head. Then you're going to create a hole and flip your hair down through the hole. Then pull at the twists to make them bigger. And you're going to keep repeating this step all the way down your hair. Take hair from the sides, tie it off, create a hole, flip your hair through the hole, and then tug at the twists to make them bigger. I did this about 4 times. When you get to the bottom, you can continue to flip your hair, or you can leave it as a low ponytail. Then I took my butterfly clips, placed them all throughout my head, and this is the final look. This is a wrapped ponytail hairstyle, so you're going to need some rope, some string, something that you can tie around your ponytail. Section your ponytail into 2 parts. Then take your string and you're going to make figure 8s. So bring it over the top of one section, then bring it under the next section, wrap it back around, so now you're at the top, then bring it back underneath the next section. And you're going to keep doing this till you're at the end of your ponytail. I tried to keep this as tight as possible, but again, you're just going to keep going over, under, all the way down. When you're at the bottom of your hair, I used a bobby pin to keep the string in place, and this is the final look. This is such an easy Barbie hairstyle. So you're going to put your hair in a half up, half down, then pull the elastic out a bit so you create that hole, then flip your ponytail up through the hole. This is going to make it super voluminous, and you can add a fun hair accessory like a pretty pink bow. This hairstyle uses these really fun, colorful hair extensions. So part your hair down the middle and about 3 inches back, clip in those hair extensions on either side. So you're gonna have 4 total. Then take the front section of your hair and bring it back so it covers those clips. Then you're gonna start a 3-strand braid, making sure those colorful sections are included on the sides. Braid it all the way back and then tie it off with a clear hair elastic. Move the braid out of the way for a moment and clip in more of those hair extensions right underneath the braid. Then you can put your braid back so it covers up the clips, and you're going to have a really fun, pretty hairstyle. Final hairstyle is a messy bun. Put your hair in a ponytail and section it into 2 parts. Tie those sections together. Then take the ends forward so you can make another knot. If you have enough hair, then take the sections back behind the bun and make a 3rd knot. You can use bobby pins, hair elastic, whatever you need to do to make sure it stays in place. Then I use these fun skeleton hand clips on either side of my head for the perfect Halloween hairstyle.